What did you just? What did you just say?
How am I supposed to switch my dominant hand though? What?
You just go on.
Bro! I can't do it with my right, bro. No,
You're
look
bad.
at this.
You're bad.
Look at that. No, green
But-
one. Look at this. Right? Look at that. Look at this.
Blue.
That's better.
Blue.
Look at this. You can go backwards.
Blue.
Run from the monkeys.
Blue.
Monkey. Where my dominant hand is.
Heck,
Bro, look.
heck, who said you can run?
You can't get me.
I didn't say you could run. I didn't say Jamal.
I'm
What
gonna
did you
punch
say,
you.
Green? I didn't hear a thing you said.
Black. Black. On tree stump.
Pink. Pink monkey shall perish. Pink monkey.
Get down, you pink.
Pink.
Are you scared, Pink? Are you scared, Pink? Scared of the piranhas? Nom nom. Nom nom. You say, show me. Pinky him because he's fucking
Pink. Pink monkey. Pink.
piranhas? Oh, you think you're him? Okay, Pink. Okay, Pink. You realize you're the main character, okay? Calm down, Jamal. Come on, Jamal. You pulled 9.
Scooby-Dooby-Doo, we're coming after you.
No.
I don't know. Scooby.
Wait, did you say?
Yo, wait, who's it? Yo, guys.
Guys, I'm so bad at.
You know what? I'm just gonna help you. I'm helping you. I feel bad for you.
Tag me.
Don't feel bad for me.
I feel bad for him. So let's do this.
Where's Green?
Purple.
Oh my god, bro. It's actually amazing.
I sound like a goat, bro. I sound like a dummy.
I'm the king.
Oh my god.
You're the king. I'm the king.
Bing.
Bro.
Bo.
Fall down. Oh my god.
Ow, I put my back.
It's not you. Got him. It's not you.
Ow.
You just nicked
I put my back.
Oh,
I put my back.
Perfect. I thought something else was happening.
My back.
Yo, it's Nicki Minaj from Wiz. Give me Pug.
Cool.
Give me Coke, please.
It is anyone want to be
Give me Coke, please.
Here's the code.
Give me crack cocaine.
Oh, it's green.
You should be cocaine, man. Crack cocaine.
Bro. Hey, no. Hey, Green. You know
I'm angry.
the truth. You know Mr. Popo?
Look at him, bro. Can you go make me some cocoa? His legs so goddamn hard.
Make him scared.
Got him.
Bro's dressing up like him. Hey, wait, bro. Who's the dude that says got him? Hey, Pink, come on.
I'm super duper.
Hey, yo, watch your shit. Wait. Yo, Pink, wait. How did I get not tagged? How did I not get tagged?
Oh, I got him.
Bo.
I honestly don't know.
Take it. Hey, GG, Bo.
Not that deep. Stop trying hard. Did someone just say you stupid Jew? He's being racist. Someone's being racist. No, Pink.
You didn't, Stevie.
Look at him. He's out of breath. I can't move.
Because you got
It was a
tagged.
new round. It was
Yeah,
a new
it's-
round. I did not even realize. I didn't even realize.
Bro, do you have a
I
bad...
didn't even realize
Bo
it
has
was
the
a new
worst
round, bro.
attention span in all of Ohio tag. Doug.
I want to see how the Kobe guy.
Green, if I tag you, you get the bug, alright?
You wanna see how to drive a car?
Yeah?
Green,
So basically,
the bug says to get you. The bug.
motorcycle, right? So that's a throttle, right?
All hail the bug. All hail the bug.
Fuck the bug. The bug. I hope the bug dies. Whatever.
All hail the bug.
Is Sniper Potato running away? He beat Potato?
You are a
Little kid
potato.
making fun of my username?
Super bad,
The
bro.
little kid made fun of my username is me?
Super bad. Okay, so who's the one teaching how to do a motorcycle? Who's the one doing that? So I'm pretty sure you went like this, push the pedal, and then turn, and it should work. I think I did it wrong.
Guys, who wants a
Oh,
bug?
bro, let me show you
Hey.
again. Let me show you again.
You want a
So
bug?
basically, what happened
Want him?
was you have this throttle, right? So
Here.
basically, you're supposed to like all the way,
Here.
right? So when you
Get him.
start it,
Come on, let's go. Let's go.
Oh, I get it, okay.
There's tag lag.
There is? Okay, you owe me a million.
Missed me.
No,
Alright, you did it.
now it's not. Yes, I did it too. Oh, there's literally a kid right there. The way that makes sense.
How
I
did you
love
know?
you, Karen.
Huh?
But like, yes you are. Be scared. Be scared.
You're not scared of claustrophobic.
Close my door. I know. Damn. Really sarcastic. Well, how do I just get tagged? Because you can tag you.
Stop.
Who just tagged me, bro?
Take 'em, John.
Oh my god.
Take it.
Take 'em, John.
GG, bro.
Who just tagged me?
Fist bump!
That was me. I tagged
Oh, I
you.
said fist bump now.
Who just tagged me? But I'm not. I tagged you, dude. Can you not listen to me?
Take 'em, John.
Fist bump now.
Bro, I'm not talking to you anymore. What's your username talking?
Hoppy gibba, hoppy gibba, hoppy gibba.
I got one with the block strip. I play block strip.
Hey, that's a good show.
What's your name?
Yo, bitch.
Like, you can see my username. Mute me. I'm right here. Right here. Press the mute button. Dude, you keep asking. You keep asking. It's who tagged me? And I keep saying it was me, and you're just who tagged me? You just keep saying who tagged me. You're actually pissing me off. Who tagged me? Who tagged me?
I tagged
Who
you.
tagged me?
Stop!
Who tagged me?
I did.
Say it one more time. You owe $1 million to the federal government.
Nobody tagged me. I joined this round. Nobody tagged me. Who tagged me?
I wonder what the final dude is. Could he be in this tree?
I think it was tagged.
No?
Hey, what's up?
Hi. I'm not here. You can't see me. But hold on. How noticeable was I whenever I did this?
I seen the purple bug. I seen the bug.
There's Doug.
Blue
Hold on, can I get Doug real quick? I need
bug.
Doug for one.
Bug.
To say that I tagged you.
Where is bug?
I got Doug.
I cannot tag you.
I want bug.
Who wants Doug the bug?
Me.
Who tagged me?
Don't touch Doug if you want Doug.
Help me, bro. What is that?
Give me bug. I need to eat bug or I will die.
What is that? What is that? Ow! Freaking George. No, freaking nothing.
Shoot, my controller disconnected. No, my controller disconnected. Who the heck is my other arm?
Bro, I wonder who that is.
Who wants Doug the bug?
Come on, bro.
No one else.
I will help you. I will help you. But I am going to use on.
Where the heck's my arm?
What the hell is that?
I lost my arm.
Stop it, Doug.
Rando.
I lost my arm. Help me.
That was funny.
I lost my arm. Leave me alone. Okay.
I'm gonna punch the wall soon. That's a threat.
I,
Bro, you're really copying.
I lost my arm.
Help!
I lost my arm.
Bro, are you the
Help!
TikTok?
Help me! Help! I'm reviving your arm.
Yo, I can't end my video.
Fortnite.
Someone help. How do I end a video if my arm's dead?
I'm
So,
reviving
no.
your arm.
I'm recording a
reviving your
YouTube
arm. I
video.
learned it from Fortnite. I learned it from Fortnite.
I'm recording a YouTube video.
I learned it from Fortnite. Wait,
I'm
what's your
trying
YouTube
to
name?
run.
Oh
Touch me.
shoot! I went overboard. Wait, can I revive your arm from Fortnite?
Help.
how to play
No.
Fortnite, that's
I'm sorry. Come on, leave me alone.
Wait, what's your YouTube name? So people follow
It's
you.
my name. It's my name on Oculus.
Next time if you tag me,
What's your name on Oculus?
I mean, it's my name right now.
I actually thought you tagged.
D Owl
Deaf Owl.
Dowl.
Deaf Owl.
Oh, Dead Owl.
Yeah.
Honestly, this is my opinion, but I think Messi's better than Ronaldo.
Mm.
Oh shit, I mean. Hey, look, I'm on key. Tag me. Tag me.
I'm fine.
Help me. Hey, Black. I'm not doing anything.
I have one arm. Leave me alone.
Wait, where's that thing that was broken?
Leave me alone. Akila. Leave me alone. I have no arm. No. I don't have an arm, bro. Why you bullying me? Why you bullying me?
I have a bug in my hand, and I don't want to smush him.
Okay, this is a special moment from me. I've been thinking about it for a while, but if we can reach 50 subscribers before the end of the year, I might say something that's like only like my family and friends know. Like this is something like I can't really, like I literally like won't say it unless I reach 100 subscribers before the end of the year. If y'all can do that, I will like start saying like I'll do more videos. I'll like, also do content with y'all. I'll create a Discord server. Like if we can get to 100 subscribers before this end of the year, I will make a poll on YouTube and you guys will decide what I do. But bye bye. See y'all in the next one. I jumped. Video. Oh, wait, I already turn this off. Oh, yeah, it's 1 in the morning. Next video, if we do 100 subscribers, either the options will probably be a turtle, like, ooh, Shameless Renova. You.